Recently, the United States Army sent 4 50kW laser prototypes on Stryker combat vehicles to the Middle East for real-world testing. This test aims to adapt to dust particles, as stated by CENTCOM Deputy Commander, General James Mingus, as reported by Breaking Defense. The 4 prototypes arrived at the CENTCOM operational area in early February and have begun initial testing activities. According to Mingus, it takes several months to process observations that can drive technology maturity and acquisition decisions. If the results of this series of tests prove successful, it could help the service determine whether a 50kW class laser is the right choice or whether it would be better to consider a 28kW option. Meanwhile, military leaders are also considering logistical issues related to keeping high-energy weapons operational on battlefields where high-tech replacement parts are not widely available. The proliferation of aerial drones on the battlefield has accelerated the drive to develop new defensive weapons to shoot down drones. CENTCOM, in particular, has faced dozens of attacks on U.S. installations in Iraq and Syria over the past few months, as well as a drone strike in Jordan that killed 3 U.S. soldiers.